Hello guys, good to see you again in my next unboxing video for Apex badminton racket in my channel Join Hands. Now let's go ahead and do an unboxing on this racket and see how the specification of this racket is. So I ordered this racket in Flipkart. So this is also an Apex variant. Earlier also I gave my review on Apex Ziegler limited edition, but this racket is Apex counter attack racket, and I'll tell you the specialty about this racket when we see inside. And before going into the racket specification, I'll also tell you the price. So the MRP of this racket, it's mentioned like 6,999. But I got this racket for like 2,000 rupees in Flipkart, but if you go into like other website, you will get it for like 2,100 or 2,150 and other things. So now let us see this racket cover. So this racket cover is like little shining leather, I can see, and I can keep like two badminton racket because the compartment of this is like very large. The width of this is very large, so that you can keep two badminton rackets inside. And it also comes in with like a side strap and a hanging loop, so that you can hang it in your nail. So this is the Apex counter attack badminton racket that you see. The specialty of this racket is it is very less in weight, which is like 73 grams plus or minus 2. And it comes in this 7U G2 category as it's mentioned over here, and the balance of this racket is like 300 plus or minus 3, and the flexibility of this racket is like 8.5. As you can see, the flexibility is like 8.5 and the balance is like 300 plus or minus 3, as I told you. And the length of this racket is like 672 mm. The complete weight of the balance is like evenly balanced, so that there is no weight on the head and also on the grip, so that when you attack or when you defend, it goes in for like a solid speed and solid take you can do. And one specialty is that even though the weight of this racket is very less, which is 73 grams, but it comes with a maximum tension of like 36 lbs is what you can keep. But in one main difference that I see in my Ziegler and this counter attack racket is that the weight, because it is 7U category, but that is 4U G2 category, but this is 7U G2 category. And one more thing is the shaft. As you see, this shaft is like a medium slim shaft over here, but this my Apex Ziegler limited edition is very ultra slim shaft, so that the head of that racket is like little heavy compared to this. And other specification is that this comes with the 72 grommet specification, but the Ziegler limited edition comes with 76 grommets. This racket comes with two different colors. One is this green and light black, another one is the red variant. And one more thing is that this racket is made in Vietnam. Usually, as I told in my earlier video, most of this UK versions are stopped now, and only this Vietnam versions are coming now. That's the reason we are not able to see any UK symbol over here. But the registration of this racket is made in UK, as you can see here, it's mentioned over here. And this racket is completely designed and developed in Taiwan itself, but this racket is made in Vietnam. So that's all about the specification of this racket. I'll have to string it to see how this racket looks for me. And as I told you earlier, this racket is like 7U G2 category. I'm not able to feel any weight in this when I swing it. So I'll have to string it and then see how this racket looks like, and I'll let you know how this is working for me. So that's all about this video. And one more thing I forgot to tell you is this, it's mentioned over here, it is a low vibration racket, so most of the racket when you play, right, in that case it vibrates a little bit, but this racket it is low vibration, so whenever you smash the shuttle it goes in smooth, it doesn't vibrate. So seems I've covered most of the specification. If you really like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and also give a thumbs up if you like it, and share it with your friends, and also give your comments so that it will be helpful for my next video so that I can give more information about it. Thanks for watching. Bye.